Hi guys, so I would like to go through question 2 for exercise 5C. Okay, so question 2 asks us to classify the following pairs as like terms, so the letter L, or not like terms, we use the letter N. Okay, so let's look at A first. So for A, we've got 3A and 5A. So what does it take for two terms to be like terms? Well, first, they need to have the same variable. Okay? They need to have the same variables. Um, do these have the same variable? Well, they both have the letter A. So yes, they both have the same variable. And the second thing they need to have is that so these variables need to have the same power. Okay? So the letter A in 3A, now remember, power is the number that is at the top of these letters. At the moment, we don't see any number at the top, right? And that means that it has a power of 1. Okay? The same for the A in 5A. It also has nothing at the moment at the top, so that means it has a power of 1. Okay? We will learn more about power in the future, but for now, you just need to know that if you don't see any number at the top of a letter, that means it has a power of 1. So they have the same power. So that is another tick. And if both of these are ticks, if you tick both of these, then these two terms would be like terms. Okay? If only one of them ticks, then they won't be like terms. Okay, so what about C? So 2y and 7y. Okay, same thing. We're going to check, do they have the same variable? They both have the letter y? Then yes, they both have the same variable. Do they have the same power? Okay, both of these, they have power of 1 because there is no other number at the top of these. So that's power of 1. So tick. So both ticks, yeah, we have both ticks, so that means that it is a like terms. Okay, next one, E. We've got 7xy and 3y. Okay, again, the same two checks. So do they have the same variable? Well, what I can see here is they both have y, but for E, it's also got an extra x. So they don't have the same variables. Okay, so therefore they are not like terms. Okay, and for G, we've got 3CD and negative 8C. All right. Do they have the same variable? Both have C, but there is an extra D for 3CD. So they're not the same. They don't have the same variables either. So they're not like terms. Okay, so I hope this makes sense and helps you with question 2